Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a police clearance certificate in Dubai as of free, right? So just again of Google Chrome, whether you're using your computer, laptop, or even your phone. So just typing a police clearance certificate, Dubai, as simple as that. Well, perfect. Then wajja kwetera this official website of the Dubai police government, right? So you just click on it. So this is the website of the Dubai police, or the government of Dubai. So there are many reasons why they ask for the police clearance certificate. It might be your company, your new company, whether it's for yagala kukolako just background checkup. Tebagala kuhiringa muntu abaleetera bizibu oba kitegeera. Yeah, who has issues or criminal stuff like that. So this certificate proves your good reputation and conduct in the UAE, right? Yeah, for this case, it's for purposes of work. Right, so the fees resident has as well into dirham bibiri, yes, so plus 10 in ordinary and innovation fees, right? But if that's it, if so it's 220 if you're doing it for yourself, like how I'm teaching you right now. So you go to access service. So this is the application form. So user type is I'm a resident, because in resident in UAE. Emirates ID sijaji take off, I won't put it for confidential. Then the certificate purpose is for work, company agency. Type of requested party, it's a private company, of course. Certificate language is Arabic or English, so it's English. Private entity. So I have to put in the company which requested for this police clearance certificate. If it's not in this portal, then I have to put let me check. So since it's not there, we might tell you, then you put in other. Yeah, other, right? Then certificate required by that company. You take away in your whether Carrefour or something like that, or for team, anything. So then you put in the email, your personal email, and sendika certificate here. Alas, then terms and conditions, select education icon, then you click next. So the next step is payment. Yeah, you use your debit card or credit card. Over you bought anything online, then sija kubeera kyangu. So bajja kusindikira the payment reference number. After paying, you get the payment reference number for the follow-up of your application, right? So you come outside, then when you get follow-up, then you put in that a reference number which they sent you on the email, even your number, your mobile number, right? So if you put in the reference number, all right, 225021711314. So then they select the capture image to buy a police logo. Yes, this one is the first one. Remember, everything takes place within like 5 minutes. That reference number. So kati wano bangambye my status, it was approved and sent. Well, yeah, najifuna. So that's how you easily apply for a police clearance certificate in Dubai, hassle-free. Yeah, at the comfort of your home or wherever.